Have we started the topic coding and decoding in this class?
No, sir.
We have not started. Okay, so today we will start coding and decoding. Let's wait
Good
for
morning, sir.
good morning. Let's
Sir,
wait.
yesterday we could not complete the question number 14.
What was the question, beta?
Yes,
A
sir.
car left town A, so there was some timing, sir. I did not got time to write it. And reached town B at dash time. And if the car reached town B at dash, what time did the car left town A? Sir, I wrote the question like this, sir. I do not know the timing.
Sir, and you were also telling how to do this like before 12, after 12,
Yes,
and
sir.
then the period get over.
Okay. Can you tell me the numbers? Question.
Sir, I think it was like at the evening time in the question. Sir, 5:30, like this.
Tell me the
Sir, I remember.
numbers. Remember वाली बात नहीं है. Has anyone written? Anyone? Has anyone written the question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
First of all, let us do this type of question. One question. It was question 14.
Yes, sir.
I
Okay,
will have to take the numbers from my own. So question 14, just leave this for now. ये वाला part अभी आप छोड़ दीजिए. We will do this after completing this question. Question 14, which I gave you yesterday. This question 14 I gave you yesterday. We will do this question first, and then today we will start coding and decoding. So just wait for this and let us complete this question. The question was, a car started from town A, and suppose I'm taking the numbers on my own now. Started from town A and took 5 hours 30 minutes. Suppose 5 hours 30 minutes in reaching town B. Okay, and the car reached town B. Suppose at, let us assume that the car reached town B at 3:15 p.m. The car reached town B at 3:15 p.m. So you have to tell at what time the car started from town A.
okay, sir.
This is the question. Now, in this, it is clear that you have to do subtraction in this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So from 3:15, you have to subtract 5 hours 30 minutes. So 3 hours 15 minutes. You have to convert the time in hours and minutes. So 3 hours 15 minutes. From this, you have to subtract 5 hours 30 minutes. This is clear to all of you. But you can see that 3
Yes,
hours
sir.
15
Yes.
minutes is smaller than 5 hours 30 minutes. This is
Yes, sir.
smaller. So in this case, in
So
such
we will
cases,
add.
Sir,
you
we
will
will
So
add
we will
12.
add 12 hours.
so you add 12 hours in this
12.
plus 12. So this becomes 15 hours 15 minutes. 15 hours 15 minutes minus 5 hours 30 minutes. Now, because you have added 12 in this, it was smaller, so you added 12 in this. So now, because you have added 12, your answer will be in AM, not PM. Answer क्या होगा आपका? The question was the time at which the car reached town B was in PM, but when you give the answer, your answer will be in AM now. Why AM? Because you have added 12 in this. So 15 hours, 15 minutes. First, you will convert this in minutes. 15 into 6. This is 900 hours. 900.
Sir, please wait a minute.
This you don't have to note down. This thing you don't have to note down. First, we are doing question 14, and after this, you will do this. So don't copy this in your copies, notebooks. Do this first. So 915 minutes minus 5 hours 30 minutes. What is 5 hours 30 minutes? 5 into 60 is 300, 330. 330 minutes. So when you subtract this, you get 885 minus 300. 585. 585 minutes. Now 585 minutes you will convert in hours and minutes. So when you convert this in hours and minutes, you will get 9 hours 45 minutes. 9 hours 45 minutes. That means the time at which the car started from town A was 9:45 a.m. This is your answer. 9:45 a.m. Clear? Have you all understood this?
Sir, wait a minute. I'm not down. Sir, noting.
9 hours 45 minutes. That means 9:45 a.m.
Sir, done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood?
No, sir, wait a minute.
Have you all understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Very good.
Yes, sir, I have understood, sir, but I don't write it, so I want to write it.
Today I have 1 period or 2 periods?
Sir, 2.
2 periods.
No, sir, one period. Sir, in the timetable there is one period.
Only 1 period I have today. In fifth C, I have 2 periods today.
Sir, I'm not able to see your screen. It is all black. Due to your network problem.
Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jan Duhan. Yeah. Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next topic that we are starting in, yes? Are you saying something? Anyone? The next
Sir,
topic,
sir, someone can't say fully because of network issue.
so the next topic that we are starting in reasoning is coding and decoding. The topic that we are starting is coding and decoding. So for this, first you write English alphabets like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, M, and after M, you have to write in the same manner, the manner I have written. After M, the next letter is N, but N you are going to write below M. Okay, then you move in the opposite order. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so first from A to M, you will write left to right, and then from N to Z, you will write from right to left.
So we also have to write the numbers.
Then you write the numbers. After this, you write the numbers.
Okay.
The numerical equivalents of the alphabets: A के ऊपर 1, B के ऊपर 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 13, and then again 14 at the bottom, 14, 15, 16, and till 26 you have to write. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so write in this manner, all of you.
Okay.
We have done coding and decoding in the last term also, so it is very easy topic. This time you will get this topic in your half yearlies. Sorry, not half yearlies, UT2. In your UT2.
So please tell once again because I was out because of internet connection.
You have to note down this in your copies.
Sir, I have noted.
I have also noted.
Sir, I have also noted.
Done. Okay, now the first question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, wait a minute.
You have to take help from this and do the questions. It will be very easy to do the questions if you take help from this. When you are doing a test or an exam, you can make this in rough and then try the questions. Okay, for your help, you can make this pattern in rough copy on a rough page anywhere and then start doing the questions of reasoning, coding and decoding.
Coding and decoding. Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay, sir.
in a certain code, In a certain code, tiger is written as, the word tiger is written as tiger is written as U A H F S.
In a cretin, oh, tiger is written as.
What is the code for,
Code for.
what is the code for first part of the question? What is the code for sniper? And second part of the question, what is the code for
Sir,
bold?
how will we be decoding it?
Write down the question first, then I will tell you how to do. All of you, note down the question.
Sir, we have to write fully ABCD also.
Yes, that you have written now one time already. You have written. Don't no need to write the second time.
Okay.
You have already written.
Sir, I didn't understand this question, sir.
Beta, I have not explained. First, note down the question, and then I will tell you what to do in this. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have noted down the question and I've also write the answer.
You have also written the answer.
Yes, sir.
So what is the second?
Okay, then send your answer in the chat box. Send your answer in the chat box. Let me see your answer is correct or not.
Sir, I will also try to
So what
write
is the
that.
second question?
Yes, please try. You all can try and send your answers in the chat box if you have understood. But I have not explained. Let me explain the question. Don't worry. If you have not understood, no problem. I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I have sent it.
Yes, all of you
Sir, I have also sent
Sir,
it.
just doing.
done?
Sir, I have also sent it the answers.
Okay. Bhakti has sent the answer and Ashfa has sent the answer. Let me check whether your answer is correct or not.
Thundered.
Correct answer. Bhakti's answer is correct.
Sir, I have also said.
Ashwa's answer is also correct. Abhiyan, there is a little mistake in your first answer. Okay, let me tell you what to do in this.
Sir, okay. Sir, please one time you only tell the correct answer.
Yes. So first of all, you have to understand that how the coding of the word tiger is done in this. How the coding of the word tiger is done. See, when you see that in the question, what is the code for T? T की जगह क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर? U. We have written U in place of T. So what is U? You can see that T is coming at which position? It is coming at the 20th position. So the next position after T, the next alphabet after T is always U. T के बाद English alphabet में which letter is there? Which letter is there after T in the English alphabet?
Sir, you.
U.
So instead of T, we have written U. And then
Okay, sir.
after I, which letter comes after I? J. The letter that
J.
comes
Yes, sir. JK.
J. After G, which letter is there? H. So H. After E, which
Sir,
letter?
understood. Sir, understood.
After E, the letter
Sir,
is.
this we have also done in first term.
And after R, letter is S. So this is how the coding of tiger is done. Similarly, you have to do the coding for a sniper and board also. So the code for a sniper will be.
Sir.
What is the code for a sniper? T
Sir,
O
T O
J
J Q F S.
QFS.
S is the code for a sniper.
Okay, okay.
B S E is the code for board. BPBSE is the code for board.
Hey, the man.
Done, all of you?
Sir, doing.
Sir, done.
Sir, except ABCD, we have to write the whole.
Beta. Sorry? Yes, you have to note down this in your copies. Question 1. So this in your copy.
Okay, sir.
Don't write this again. Just one time you have written. Now you don't have to write it again. You can take help from this for all the questions. Okay. From the same thing, you can take help. This is just for you, just to help you out how to do the questions. Okay. It is just for your help. You don't have to write it again and again. Yeah, ready for the next question?
Yes, sir, ready.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Question 2. It is a very easy topic, okay? So not much problem will be there. Very simple questions you will see. The code for the word tiger is G. You have to crack the code. You have to decode it. You have to find out that what is the pattern in the coding. This is known as decoding. Decoding का meaning क्या होता है?
Yes.
Finding the
Sir,
pattern.
sir, to make the first thing which it was after that was coded, we have to decode. Sir, doesn't know the correct word for it in English, but sir, I know it properly.
I've understood what you are trying to say. No problem. I've understood. So the pattern in the way of writing a word, you have to crack that pattern, find out the pattern. That is known as decoding. GRT.
Sir, I already found it.
Instead of E, it will be V, and instead of
Sir, I also.
I. So find out the pattern, decode it, and then do the coding of these two words.
Sir, can I send answer in the chat box?
Yes. You can send your answers in the chat box.
Sir, I have sent.
Ansharya has sent the answer. Beta Ansh, you have sent the answer of which one?
Sir, I have sent. Sir, I have sent, I think, the wrong answer.
Okay, check your answer.
Sir, I have sent both of the answers.
Ashpa has sent the answers. I think your answers are correct, Ashpa.
Okay, sir.
Very good. So may I tell you the pattern here? The pattern is we are writing the letters which are on the opposite side of the given alphabets. What is the letter on the opposite side of T? T के opposite side में what is the letter? It is G. And similarly, I. What is the letter opposite to I? It is R. Then again G. The letter opposite to G is T. So T will come here. Then E. The letter opposite to E is V. So V is going to come here. Then finally R. The letter opposite to R is I. So I will come here. So this is the pattern, very simple pattern. The letters at the opposite side, you have to write the letters on the opposite side here. So the code for a sniper will be H M R K V I. This is the code for a sniper. HMRKVI. Check your answers. The code for board. Y L Z I W. This is the code for board. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir, clear.
Sir, it will come in any form. Like this is opposite, and the another one was
Any pattern could be there. You in every question the pattern will be different. The coding will be in a different manner in every question. Even in your
Okay,
exams,
sir.
your tests, you will see a new pattern. That pattern you
Sir,
have to remember. That pattern will also not be taught in the classes during the classes. You have to on your own. You have to find what is the pattern. Okay.
okay, sir.
In every question, the pattern will be different. Are you all ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
So wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir, ready.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yes,
Abhiyan,
sir, ready.
Abhiyan, you are taking lot of time.
Sir, done.
Code for tiger. The new code, the new pattern. 20, 9, 7, 5, 18. 20,
Sir,
9, 7, 5, 18.
I guess this code, sir.
Now do the coding for sniper. 20, 9, 7, 5, 18. Do the coding for the word sniper and for board. Give your answers in the chat box.
Sir, I am sending in chat box. Oh. One, shift, 19, 19, 14, 9, 16, 9, 16, 5, 18, 18.
Are we all done?
Sir, I have sent both the answers in the chat box.
2:15.
9, 16, 5, 18. Correct answer.
Sir, I have also sent.
Correct answer. What is the pattern here? Very simple pattern. The numerical
Sir, I
equivalent. We have written the numerical equivalents of all the letters. T ka numerical equivalent is 20. What is the position of T? It is at the 20th position. I is at the 9th position. So the code for I is 9. G is at the 7th position. So the code for G is 7. E, the code for E is 5. And the code for R is 18. R is at the 18th position. So similarly, you can do the coding for these words also. Sniper 19, 13, sorry, 14,
14, 9,
16, 5, 18. This is the answer. So similarly, you can do the second one also. So that's it.